Hello, everybody. Good morning, good day, and good night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FM Signals info show. My name is still Damir Galic from good old Germany, and you're welcome to another 48 hours technical analysis and synthesis of one of our major currencies, our cross rates. And tonight, or this morning, Central European time, of course, I'm choosing the pound yen cross rate. So analyze this stuff again. It's still yours. Pound yen. Okay, it's 6 o'clock 46 in the morning Central European time, or 5:36 in London time in the morning, or 14:36 midday in Tokyo. And here is the pound yen cross rate at the beast or the night samurai cross rate want. However, before we starting with the excuse me, with the 30 minutes technical analysis synthesis, perhaps we should make an overview. I'm choosing the daily timeline, and we see the massive sell-off from 2008, then the recovery 2009, and after that also lightly bearish. Interesting here in the big picture, or the big picture, is here the lows of 28, and we are trading something about it. So very interesting levels and points, and yes, writing it on a paper, or don't forget this simple fact. Okay, let's go to the 30 charts. Here the actuality one, here the larger one, 30-minute charts, of course. And we see here again something like a sell-off here at the end of the last year. Here 1, 2, 3 again, but here recovery 1, 2. So, and we are here right now at highs of this year. Here the years began or started. So yes, and we are here trading something like above. I'm creating also some lines here. Okay, and yes, and here we see the all-time low. Even shortly remember here, even from 2008, end of 2008. And here we see the great turnaround the last week, or at the start of the year. So that's my opinion, important thing. But let me shortly explain the other lines. That's the major figure, the major chart technical point from you. The second one is this upside trend before the first low, if you want, or the second, if you are great. Yes, the second one here, the first, here the second, then a rebound, then massive sell-off, and then back again. So I'm creating here of these two lows and how do you say, yes, trend line, and here of the two highs also. Here the downside trend in the trend line, we broke this, and here the highs. And interesting is here we see the sell-off here, and we tried to come back in this area, or we tried, fails at start of the year, then the sell-off, here the vertical line if you want, and yes, in the last hours we get it, or we got it, and now we're trading here on higher levels round about 121.6 or 58 right here right now. So very interesting picture, but the question is of course how to trade it or to get it. So let's zoom a little bit, and here we see the upside trend. This is this one. So very interesting. Perhaps we should zoom it here for better understanding. So very interesting. So very interesting picture here. Okay, but I'm creating here, not this one. Yes, or let me come back. Okay, yes. Okay, and the question is of course how to trade it, how to trade this picture. I'm creating here, before we've got this recovery, here this upside trend, and here this line. So I would still prefer the long side, but I would creating a short stop. So yes, the great picture of course, or the best scenario would be to wait, hoping that the price comes back, but I wouldn't bet on it tonight or at this morning. Even we've got for a few minutes, or for 45 minutes, 42 minutes, say to be exactly, the monthly report from the BOE, and we will get here in 3 hours 47 the meeting minutes of the MPC from the Bank of England. So that could or will have much more influence of this crossways at the Japanese Bank of Japan minutes. If you're interested, if you want to know what's inside, get on my Twitter account. I'm creating a link that you can read the monthly report of the Bank of the BOG. So if you want to trading this currency, stay aware, cause yes, we will get in 3.5 hours. So in 7 candlesticks here, we see it here, data, and that would push, or how to say, push or pull, yes, the cross rate in one direction. And the $1 question is of course in which, I don't know of course, but I would still, if I'm watching this chart here, the all-time low, or not the all-time low, but yes, the all-time low area, and here the prices and the trend lines. So I would here I can put it all inside this here by my broker. It's the 121 line if you want. So here I would create here the stop and hope, or trading here the lows. Of course you can create also a shorter stop or a smaller stop. I would create here a stop, and even trading for trading or accepting higher prices. So, but analyze that, it's still yours, and stay aware even cause the data in the next 3.5 or 3 hours and 44 minutes at 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock Central European time, or 9 o'clock London time, of course. However, analyze this, it's still yours. Here, located daily, don't have much impact today, so perhaps come back. And that's the main picture, or the interesting picture for me today or this morning. Okay guys, thanks ahead. Thanks for spending your time. I'm hoping you enjoy my video, and take care, take response, analyze that stuff again, it's still yours. However, I'm over and out.